Guys, pay attention to this video. Hamster deposits to exchanges are currently on. Off-chain means those that want to deposit on Binance, Bybit, OKS, but avoid OKS. All these different exchange, right? Those or Telegram wallet, whatever, but I don't advise Telegram wallet. It's up to you. It's your money, okay? On-chain means those that are claiming to their Ton hub and Ton keeper, Ton wallet, any wallet that you have control over. BitGet wallet, the wallet that you have the 24 word recovery phrase, that one that belongs to you, because the one that you are depositing on exchange doesn't belong to you. Binance can decide to lock you off and throw you away. So I'm just educating you. This Binance, OKS, and Bybit, AB exchange, I don't know the exchange, maybe I'll check it out. All these are off-chain. Are you listening to me? On-chain is Ton keeper. That one will be later. Probably they will allow you to withdraw that one on, maybe if they are listing by 5 p.m. they will allow you to start withdrawing that one probably 2 p.m. I don't know. I'm just saying, for example, right? So we are learning. Remember, you don't need KYC. All you need is to have like $2 worth of Ton. If you want to buy Ton, remember I sell, just send me a DM. So in order to deposit to exchange, for now this video is for exchange like Binance. It's very simple, right? So you go to your Binance, you search for Hamster, you click on deposit here, you search for Hamster, just type HMSTR. Already you can see it here. You click on it, you select Ton blockchain. Of course, you are supposed to know by now. This is the address they are asking you to deposit to, and this is the memo, right? So you come back to this place, you select Binance. Please make sure you have KYC, as in you have taken the picture of your ID, you have verified that you are a real human being, you have identity before you deposit to any exchange. I don't reply such message, I did not do KYC. I don't. I'm just being straight up here. They will ask you, do you have Binance? If you don't have, you click here, you register. If you have, you say yes. It's simple as ABC. Then you copy the wallet address, right? So for some of you that want to hold your Hamster in your wallet, like you don't want to sell, you can decide to claim to Ton keeper, right? You see, I copied address and pasted. Now I'm copying memo, right? You copy memo, you paste. Sorry, make sure you do everything correctly. See, that memo did not copy. You must hit okay, copy successfully. You must do everything correctly. Then this save button will activate. Save and choose. What's the next step? You save and choose. So I'm not ready for this yet, but I'm just, because my DM is already on fire. So what is the advantages of depositing to exchange? Some of you want to sell immediately. This is your opportunity. But if you want to hold your thing in your wallet, you just calm down. You see, you want to sell, you want to trade your thing, make your money and go. Just do your thing, okay? But if you are depositing to your Ton keeper, like some of you couldn't verify yourself on Bybit, BitGet, or whatever, or Binance exchange, don't worry, you will claim to your Ton Keeper, Hub, any wallet that you are using. So this is it. Very simple. As you can see, I have not decided on where to deposit or whether not to deposit on Binance. But if I'm to deposit to exchange, I will choose Binance. So the advantage is you want to sell immediately, you want to cash out, you want to do whatever. It's up to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. Okay, so this is it. If you want to buy Ton, I sell Ton. Just send me a DM on my for gas fee. I don't sell, just sell few for like $2. Okay, that's it. And on that day, if you want to sell your hamster, I will also buy from you. For those trying to deposit to Bybit, the same step. Okay, you go to Bybit, your Bybit exchange. Let's go back here. You click on asset, see asset. You click on deposit. You select crypto. You see where I selected, right? You click on deposit. You go down. Bybit always know how to make life hard. Deposit, we hit crypto. You see deposit, right? Already have crypto, deposit directly. You see, then you go to you select you click on this search. You see this search up here, right? You click on it, then you search for hamster, right? You see it here. You click on it. When it opens, it tell you to do what? Turn. It's already turn. Yes, you select turn. You confirm this. You copy your, you see your wallet, the wallet that you are supposed to be sending to, right? You see it, you copy it. Pay attention. Everything have to be done correctly. If you do anything and make mistake, okay, Bybit also requires UID. Okay, you already know what UID is, right? That thing that you get when after you have done your KYC. So you copy your memo, you copy memo. So I've put deposit address, I copy memo and put. Then to get your UID is very simple. Let's go for that. So to get your UID for Bybit, you click on home. When you click on home, you click on this. You see this your profile here. You see this right here, this thing that look like your profile. When it opens, you are going to see your UID, right? You see your UID, you copy it. If you click here, you copy it. You come back here, you paste it, right? You paste your UID and there you save and choose whatever. So I'm just showing you this thing, this guidance that I've showed you already. You should know that everything is done. Make sure everything is done correctly. If you do any mistake, your money, you will never get it. This is cryptocurrency. Mistake is bye-bye. Mistake is too dangerous. It's not like your bank that you go and start telling them that they should check. Bye-bye. That's why they call it you are your own bank. All right, thank you. Please always remember to like, share, and follow me. Thank you and bye-bye.